Six3Tile is an innovative, patented tile product that is a single, integrated system, providing the classic look and feel of traditional ceramic tile in a fraction of time and effort. No special tile skills or tools are needed to install Six3Tile. These lightweight, flexible, yet durable large format panels install with a speed that is unmatched, resulting in a cost-efficient, professional look in about an hour. A standard tub surround kit contains 9 tile panels, and a standard shower kit contains 12 tile panels. Panels are pre-cut to industry standard tub sizes, but are easily modified to fit any space. No special surface prep is necessary. Six3Tile can be installed over moisture-resistant drywall, cement backer boards, or even existing tile. Tile panels are quickly mounted to the surface using construction adhesive. Our tile panels are flexible for easy installation around obstacles or uneven surfaces. Our patented seam sealing process makes Six3Tile ideal for shower and tub surrounds. The joint is designed to automatically create a grout channel, so no tile spacers are necessary. This seam becomes invisible even before grout is applied. Grouting can begin immediately after tile panel installation is complete. There is no need to wait for adhesive to set. A variety of edging options can be used for a professional finish. Six3Tile. Visit our website for more information.